Hi, this is Dr. Yute here with the first of many weekly updates after our first full week of classes. And first of all, I just want to thank you so much for the enthusiasm and the hard work that you put into this first week. I've really enjoyed reading your discussion post that you submitted on a couple of different topics, and it is clear that there are many of you that are very passionate about the government and its role in our lives, which is great to see. So I'm looking forward to a lot of really good discussion this year. So thank you so much for the work that you put in, and hopefully you've gotten a good start to the course, and that you feel that you're kind of getting used to Haiku and some of the features that Haiku offers. I know it can be a little bit tricky to kind of get around sometimes, and it's going to take you a little while to get used to it, but hopefully that will not be a major problem as we move forward. Looking ahead at this week, we're right in the middle of week 2 here. We had our first assignments of this week due yesterday. And we're kind of getting into some more of the nitty-gritty here, where we're looking at the early parts and the philosophical early parts of the American government and the philosophical underpinnings of the American government, and I'll be interested to see what you guys think about the discussion about how far we've come, how close are we to the vision that the founding fathers had for us, and I'll be very interested to see how that discussion pans out. The other thing I want to bring up also is I do collect your notes from the reading, just the textbook reading, and I'm sorry that's been a little confusing to some people, and I apologize for that. I should have been clear about that. But it's just your textbook notes that you need to share with me during the first 2 weeks, and just to get a sense for what kind of note taker you are, and I'm sure that you're all great note takers, but I still make sure that since this is a course that basically contains 2 separate AP courses in 1 year, is going to be a relatively reading and intensive course. So we want to make sure that your note-taking skills are up to par, which I'm sure they are. After the second week I've collected notes, you're on your own, unless I see a reason to collect an individual student's notes. But again, I don't foresee that happening. So after the second week here, you're on your own. Your notes are for your benefit and your eyes only, so to speak. Looking ahead, we're going into the last week of this opening unit here, which kind of talks a little bit about federalism and some things that are again very vital and often somewhat controversial parts of our political system. So I'll be curious to see how that pans out, and then we kind of go into the more nitty-gritty of the course that after this first kind of introductory unit. So again, thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you so much for your enthusiasm, your dedication, your investment in the course. And lastly, a reminder, if you haven't scheduled a Google Hangout with me yet, please do so. I've greatly enjoyed getting to know a number of you, and we've had some really good and interesting and fun Hangouts, and I look forward to meeting all of you during the next week and a half. As always, if you have any questions, do let me know, and I hope that you're having a good week so far, and I wish you a great rest of the week.